up, everybody? It's your girl. You be juicy, baby, loving you. It's Yola here, back again for another video. Y'all already know. So, I have been wanting to talk to everybody about makeup. And I ain't the best makeup guru, girl, baby. I ain't no MUA, as they call themselves, honey. I don't claim to be none of that. I am just a person who grew up around makeup a lot, and I love makeup. I love being able to transform myself. I love how far makeup has come. My mom used to work for Estee Lauder when I was a kid, so I used to watch her transform herself a lot, and watching that made me grow to love makeup. Now I have much more of appreciation for makeup artists, as well as just the beauty community in general. And so I have people that are always coming up to me asking me, Yola, oh my gosh, how do you do your makeup? Oh my God, it's so pretty. And for me, it's so flattering when people tell me that, because in my eyes, it's like, I'm nothing compared to the James Charles and the Jeffree Stars, the Jackie. I feel for me that my makeup is the best of my abilities, okay? But so many people always coming up to me asking me, like, how is it that you do your makeup? What is this? What is that? Honestly, this is such a process of learning. Like, I never understood how important it is to have certain things in your, like, essential kit for makeup for it to go on smoother and for you to be able to blend out looks. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of pictures for real, because I feel like I've come such a long way, but I've learned so much during that journey of learning makeup. So I am going to do a kind of basic 101 class. And I'm going to start, it's kind of going to be like a series kind of, because I don't want to rush anybody and like make them feel the pressure that I have felt, like even in the past like months, like literally the last year of just like trying to get myself to not even motivate myself, but just like to continue to practice, because I didn't used to put eyebrows on, but I used to see other people do it. And if you look at other pictures of my eyebrows when I first started, baby, I still have a long way to go. But honestly, it's so much easier for me to put my eyebrows on. I know how to do the contouring of them and everything, and literally everything is a process. Lately, I've been working on trying to do wings. Like, my wings are never perfect the same, and there's some other wings, like the big swipe wings, that I want to learn how to do. It's literally every day just getting in front of your mirror and practicing. I'm telling you, that is literally how you get to the level that you see all of these other people at. So I want to first and foremost remind you that my giveaway is still going on until October 25th. I'll be picking one winner to win a You Go Natural head wrap or anything off of their website, but it is just one product. That will be, again, given away on October 25th. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and leave a comment back on that video for my giveaway, which is, I think, like 3 videos ago. I don't know, friend. I'm going to leave a link down in below, so you can just click that link and it'll take you straight to that video. You do not have to watch the whole video, but you do have to leave your comment on that video, and you must be subscribed to my channel for that as well. It does give you a little bit more detail as to other things that you can do to get a bonus entry as well. Other than that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload, you are the first person to be here, and give me that good thumbs up, love. So without further ado, I personally believe that the most important, I need a fan that says important all the way across, important, because this is important. If you want your makeup to blend out, I'm gonna need y'all to invest in these. I got a cup. I want like 3 more. Okay? Brushes. Okay? This is literally, I never knew the importance of a makeup brush. Never. I would have never assumed that a makeup brush in the different varieties that they come in, whether it's the size or the material that they use, makes such a big difference. It does. And I know that a lot of times I don't even have any of those to show you because I honestly haven't bought one in a long time. But the ones that come in the little kits and it's like the little white swipe ones, and the 90s used to be good for those, baby. People was using them. Nowadays, people have evolved so much that we now know that we want a little fluff on our brush, sweetie. So there are a few stores that offer what I call high quality, more like lower price brushes. And I'm going to list those brushes for you. I don't know if I can put links to them or anything like that, but I will show you pictures of each of the brush sets that I'm talking about and from each store. So my first store is definitely, I'll go from high to low. Okay, high to low. All right. So Sephora. Sephora has a brush kit that was actually my very first brush kit that I realized that the brushes matter. They matter. So it's called the Smoky Eye Kit, and I will place a picture up for you guys. That kit comes with 5 brushes. If I'm not mistaken, is $39, which is a little bit high, but the quality of the brushes, you will definitely see a difference. This is one of the brushes out of their set. It is a nice fluffy tip brush. I think, for my own personal experience, that for beginners, I'm telling you, a nice, good fluffy brushes are amazing, especially if you're a girl that's on the go as well, because it's so much easier to get the whole eye instead of having the little swipe things, or maybe even having like just a smaller brush in general. Or unless you see, this is a brush that I got in one of my makeup kits. And it's not to say that this brush won't work, but look at how much area I have to put a whole bunch of makeup on. You be sitting there dipping in and swiping and dipping and swiping and dipping and swiping. As where this one is going to give you a nice coverage on your brush at the tip, and you're going to be able to cover a lot more area. I also use these type of fluffy brushes. I always try to keep one clean because these are amazing for blending. Absolutely amazing brushes for blending. It really is light, and like I said, with that rounded fluffy tip, you're able to to work your brush, to melt those colors is what I'll say. Melt those colors together a lot better than you would if you used something that was more like this. Also in that brush, and that brush kit, they have a few other brushes that, you know, you can definitely use as far as, and not everything has to necessarily be for smoky eye. So definitely take a look at that Sephora pack if you're looking for something that's a little bit more high end, but this gives you the whole package of brushes, and all of those brushes are absolutely amazing for makeup application. Next set that I'm going to talk about is from Ulta, and I will tell you, the absolute best thing about Ulta is that they give you money back to use towards your purchases, and they always have some type of coupon. It is crazy. On top of the fact that you can kind of stack coupons sometimes, where, like, you know, say you have $25 worth of Sephora money and they have a 20% off sale going on. So you're getting 20% off of everything on top of the money that you have set aside, your Ulta money that you can use. So it's always knocking it down. I absolutely adore Ulta for that. They make me always feel welcome in their stores. Everybody's experience is different, but this is just mine. I love me some Ulta. So definitely check that place out, especially if you're looking for like Juvia's Place palettes as well. That's the place to go. But back to these brushes, boom. So Ulta is a carrier of Morphe products. And Morphe has a really, really cute, like, simple starter set that I would call it for myself. And it has a lot of those same fluffy brushes in it. I will place a picture up here of that brush set for you as well. That brush set does retail for $20, and it is applicable for what is it called? Coupons and such. So you can always end up getting their app and then end up paying less than $20 for this brush set. But it comes with amazing, amazing brushes. Plus, you get an extra one. You know, with the Sephora one, you only got 5. With this one, you get 6. So you're going to get your 2 really good fluffy brushes, a nice flat applicating brush, or as they like to call it, what are them brushes called, y'all? I can't remember what the little flat brushes is called, but you put it's easier for you to do the little smears on your eyes, friend, of the smears, okay? Okay. Matter of fact, let me show you one of the little brushes, friend. Let me see. So this is just an example. Sorry that it's been used. It's a little stain, but like a flat brush. And you see I have like my glitter on there. So it's just a lot easier to apply makeup on your lid with the little flat brushes. And this kit definitely has that. Again, I've spoken about how great Ulta is. So I definitely would go and try that. And try that makeup brush. Or that set, shall I say. That is a really, really, really good starter set. If those two are on the little bougier side for you, honey, they're a little bougie for ya, which I totally understand. e.l.f. e.l.f. is available everywhere. e.l.f. is at Walgreens, Walmart, Target. You can get it at grocery stores now. e.l.f. products are amazing. I ain't got no beef with e.l.f. They are where I started. I still have some e.l.f. makeup, boo. So don't sit on e.l.f. Don't sit on e.l.f. Okay, don't sit on it, honey. Okay. Nevertheless, e.l.f. brushes, they do individuals. I know for a fact, and I know some of the brushes are between $1 up to $3, and they have a lot of fluffy brushes like this. I don't own any right now, but that's because I get BoxyCharm. And a lot of the brushes that I have right now literally came from my BoxyCharm, or a friend bought me something random like that. So I don't really have any e.l.f. brushes to show, or let me see. So like this is an e.l.f. brush that I use a lot. This is a crease brush, but I like to use this particular brush like this. I like to use this for like applying eye makeup, whether it's like a super like pigmented or a super like soft pigmented glitter, or just glitters in general, to be honest. But I like to use this as like a glitter crease applicator. That's what I use my e.l.f. brush for. But again, they have a lot of different varieties of brushes, and e.l.f. has good brushes. So if you're looking for something that's a lot more affordable, that you don't want to go and spend the $20 or the $39 for the kit, I would suggest going to your local drugstore and taking a look at some e.l.f. products. But that is the first tip that I have for makeup. Honestly, if you do not have good brushes, then application is not going to be as smooth as you'd like it to be. And that's where I had a lot of my problems. And I didn't realize that until I actually started to invest in my brushes. So I hope that this video helped everyone out a little bit. It was only about brushes, but there's so much more to learn. I have makeup palettes and just doing like basic looks so that you guys can look just as beautiful as I feel when I put my makeup on. I'm going to try and do it step by step and take my time, because I want you guys to feel confident just like I have been feeling confident in my makeup abilities lately. So this is just part 1 of the series. So make sure that you go out there, girl, grab you some doggone brushes, honey. Get you a little set or something, or create your own with e.l.f. Always make sure that you have multiple fluffy brushes, sweetie. I'm telling you, you're going to use fluffy brushes all the time. They're always for blending. They're great for application. They're great for spreading it out, honey. So always have you multiple fluffy brushes. They come in different varieties, different sizes. This one is more of a rounded one. This one has more of like a point. And this one is real. Now, yeah, I'm telling y'all, y'all got to look and see. Y'all see the differences in these brushes. They all serve their own purpose. So don't be afraid to buy multiples of the same brush. Do not be afraid of that. Period. That's it and that's all. That's it and that's all. So that's all that I have for you for the first part of our Makeup 101 class. Brushes is what we're going to call this one. Brushes. Okay. But make sure that you watch my giveaway video and enter into that giveaway, love, because I'm so excited about it. You Go Natural has amazing, amazing products. So spread the word, love. And until next time, always be unique. Love you. Bye.